everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another funnel pour. I've got a round canvas on a spinner. I've got my funnel. I have Amsterdam Oxide Black. I've got Descartes satin enamels for the clouding over there. I've got neon yellow, blue, purple and neon pink. To start off with, I'm just going to cover this canvas with a white base. Let me just get the white. And this is just to cover the canvas. Can you see it? There. So let me just put some white on here. Just to cover the canvas. Okay, that will be fine. Now I'm just going to open up my paints, and because when you are doing the funnel pour, your one hand is going to be holding the funnel, so you need to have your paints where you can get to them, because you don't have two hands available, you're only going to have one. So just put everything where you can reach it. Right, I'm going to bring you to there. Right, you start off, you put your, can you see the top of that? No, there. Okay, start off with the Amsterdam Oxide Black. Pretty much the last of it. Right, then I'm going to put a color, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of color and a little bit of color and a little bit of color and a little bit of color. Right, and then I'm going to pour the satin enamels in from a height. Right, then I'm going to put a little bit of color. And I'm just going to put smaller layers in because I want to see if I can get more color. Usually I only do this with two colors, and the black and the white. So this is now 4 colors, but I want to be able to see all 4. Some more satin enamels, and we go again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right, and a touch more of the satin enamels. Okay, right, so I'm going to bring you down now so you can see. Okay, now we are going to lift and drop. Okay. Just look at the inside of this funnel. Look how pretty that is. So cool. Okay, so now when you do these funnel pours, the clouding effect takes a couple minutes to develop. So you don't want to spin it out straight away. You just want to give it a couple minutes to develop. But I can see really pretty colors. Really, really pretty colors. I just hope I've got enough paint on here. Oh goodness, I hope I do. Come what may, it's just going to have to be enough. That's all. So I'm just moving my paint bottles out the way. And okay, and I think I'm just going to hit it quick with a heat gun. You just move you up. Okay, I'm going to start spinning it straight away. So here goes. Yeah, all the paint was on one side and not the other. Not to worry. Not to worry. Well, that was easy. That was easy, it's covered. Just make sure it's all covered properly. Yeah, it looks fine. All looks covered. Oh wow, okay. Right, maybe I can just bring this more to the middle. Wow. Okay, so I definitely see purple, I definitely see the neon yellow, I definitely see the blue. I really don't see much of the pink. Where? Oh, Where has my pink gone? I don't, I mean, very strange. I don't see any pink. Oh goodness, I don't know. But anyway, that's actually very pretty. I'm very happy with it. So I'm just going to take my gloves off and I'm going to bring you down and give you a close-up. Hold on a sec. So there it is. It's very pretty. It's got beautiful coloring, beautiful lacing, beautiful cells. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. I am happy with that. Very, very happy. But like I said, I don't see any pink. Really not much to speak of. The purple, the purple I put in is a very dark purple, but all it's done is mix with the white, and now it's like a lilac color. So no dark purple in here. The light blue, there's quite a bit of that popping through, so that seems fine. But look at that. Very pretty. Look, I'm happy with it. It turned out great. I like it. Very, very cool. So there we go, everyone. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. Please remember, all my paintings are available to buy in my Etsy shop. I will put details down below in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And that's it. And I'll see you on Saturday, next week Saturday, when we do another video. Thanks, everyone. Bye.